Hey, what's up everyone? I'm SpazeeMcgee and welcome to the first episode of MacGyver, where I help you level up your content creation game. Today, we're diving into the meta for growing your brand across Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, and more. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your content to the next level, I got you covered. So don't be afraid to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on for future videos covering content creation tips and game coverage. Let's start by talking about your mindset. So if you're watching this video, then maybe you've come to the terms with the fact that content creation isn't just a hobby anymore for you, it's a business. So in order to make that mental transition, you need to think of yourself as a brand and as a community leader. Consistency, planning, and understanding your niche are key to growing your audience. Remember, content creation isn't just about entertaining, it's about providing value. And that value needs to be delivered consistently if you want to stand out in this crowded space. Now let's talk about strategy, because just streaming isn't enough to grow anymore. The key is building a content funnel, and here's how that works. At the top of that funnel is long-form content, and YouTube is your best friend here. This is where you create videos that educate, entertain, or solve a problem for your audience. Long-form content builds trust, provides in-depth value, and keeps people coming back for more. Think of YouTube as your content hub. You can go deep on topics, share tutorials, reviews, or behind the scenes of your process. Next, we got short form content. This is where platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels come into play. You're taking bite-sized clips from your longer YouTube videos or live streams and repurposing them. This is perfect for grabbing attention and getting your content in front of a wider audience quickly. See, not everyone has time to watch a 20-minute video or stream, but they might watch a 15-second highlight reel or a quick tip. That's why short-form content is so important. It's your hook. This is how people find you for the first time. Then at the bottom of that funnel, we've got your live streams. Whether it's Twitch, YouTube, Kick, or even TikTok, this is where you engage with your audience in real time. But let me make this clear, streaming alone will not grow your brand. See, platforms like Twitch are notoriously bad for discoverability. You could be the best streamer in the world, but if you're only live on Twitch, you're relying on people to find you in a sea of other streamers, and that's really tough. That's why I recommend multi-streaming. Broadcasting your live streams to multiple platforms at once, like Twitch, YouTube, Kick, and TikTok. This increases your chances of being discovered because now you're in multiple places at the same time. See, think of this as casting a wider net. You're increasing your brand awareness and tapping into different audiences who might not use the same platforms. There are many tools like OBS plugins or Restream to make multi-streaming easy, and they'll help you grow a lot faster. There are many tools like OBS plugins or Restream to make multi-streaming easy, and they'll help you grow a lot faster. Start with a decent webcam or camera, a solid USB mic or XLR mic if you have one lying around, and some soft lighting to make sure that your content looks and sounds professional. For software, I highly recommend sticking to OBS Studio. There are quite a few plugins now available, and anything else out there has tons of bloatware that will bog down your CPU. If you're editing videos for YouTube, DaVinci Resolve is free and packed with powerful features. You want your content to be top-notch quality, whether you're live or recording. Branding is key when it comes to standing out. You need to build a consistent visual identity that people recognize instantly across all platforms, whether they're seeing you on Twitch, YouTube, or TikTok. Using tools like Canva, even non-designers can create logos, thumbnails, and stream overlays that look professional. Stick to a consistent color scheme and style to create a memorable brand. You don't have to spend a ton of money starting out. Use what is easily accessible and then branch out into having some nice design commissioned, or better yet, make them yourself if you have the capability. Content strategy is about more than just posting. You need a plan. You have to treat this with the same intensity that you would with a 9-to-5 job if you want to find success at a decent pace. I highly recommend using a content calendar to schedule your long-form videos, short-form videos, and live streams, so you're constantly engaging with your audience across multiple platforms. Big tip here is to leave yourself enough wiggle room for your creativity to flourish. Don't force yourself into burnout by setting unrealistic expectations for yourself. Leave yourself room to grow healthily. Finally, analytics are your best friend. Each platform provides insights on what's working and what's not. On YouTube, focus on subscribers, watch time, and audience retention. On TikTok, see what videos are driving the most engagement. And for streaming platforms, look at your peak viewer times and average watch times. Use this data to adjust your strategy. Maybe one platform is outperforming the others. Lean into that and then double down on what's working. That's the meta for growing your brand. Long form content at the top, short form to hook new viewers, and streams to build your community. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on leveling up your content creation. Also, drop a comment below about what sections of this video you would like to see a deeper dive on. Thank you for your time, and remember, with the right strategy, you'll grow your brand across multiple platforms. See you in the next video.